What's up, everybody? I'm Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here in Las Vegas. I'm here in front of the Bellagio Fountains with James and Kimberly. We're going to show them a little bit of romantic magic tonight. Now, you two have been together for about how long now? 9 years.
9 or 10.
9 or 10. She knows. Trust her. Listen to her. That's good, though. It's a great amount of time to be together. So a long while ago, you guys went on some first dates. You realized you liked each other. You held hands. I want to take you back to your first dates with our first trick. James, you're going to hold your hand out. I'm going to hand you a card here, the 10 of clubs. Kimberly, I'd like you to place your hand on top of that so you're holding hands with James there, just on top, so the card's trapped in there. Great, perfect. Remember those first dates where you felt a little bit of magic as you held hands? You're going to feel some magic tonight. I've got the heart, which I think is better for you two to have. I'm not going to try to take your card. Just tell me, did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that? Yes. Did you feel that? Well, look what you have. You got the heart. That's good. It's good for you guys. You're in love. It's good to have the heart. You're in love. Well, I made a prediction actually about meeting a compatible couple tonight. I think you'll do great. You do seem very compatible. You're dressed great. You got that down.
Thank you.
So let's do this. I made a prediction with some cards I took out of the deck. They're queens. I did something special with one. I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand, so I'm going to let you hold these. I just like you to hold these face up just like this. Perfect. Freeze, just like that. You're holding the 4 queens. It's a 2-part trick. Has to do with your compatibility. James, you're first. Visualize the queens. That's going to be hearts and diamonds, they're red. Clubs and spades, they're black. Visualize, and imagine me taking one of those colors out of Kimberly's hand. Out loud, I want you to tell us, which color do you imagine me taking, red or black?
Red.
Red cards, that's a good choice. Red cards are hearts and diamonds. We're gonna finish up and let you guys watch this. Which one do you want, the heart or the diamond?
The diamond.
Diamond. It has been 9 or 10 years. James, it's a hint, it's a hint. Look, I predicted you would want the diamond, so I turned it face up from a completely different deck of cards. And I knew you two would work so well together. I brought the diamond, and that's the only card I brought for a compatible couple here. You work so well together. Tell you what, watch the fountain show. James, Kimberly, one last final trick for you. Grand finale, I'd like your help, Kimberly. I'd like you to think of any special memory you've made with James. Could be anything at all. I'm not going to try to guess it or say what it is. I just want you to think about a time when you felt really happy with this guy. And then when you have it, it's been many years, I'm sure it's plenty. When you have it, I want you to think approximately what time that happened to the nearest hour. It can be approximate, doesn't need to be exact, as long as it's a kind of a roundabout 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 through 12 o'clock. It just needs to be 1 through 12 o'clock. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. So again, 1 all the way to 12 o'clock right there. You're thinking of one of the times on this clock. I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. I would read your mind right now, but mind reading's not real, so I'm gonna have to use a fork that I stole from dinner earlier. Don't tell Bellagio. I'm gonna lay it on the clock, kind of like we would lay like an hour hand. And just again, if 12 is right here, I'm going to turn this just so that 12 o'clock is now right there, okay? I'm going to lay this fork like an hour hand at your number. I'm going to lay this at 9 o'clock. Close, but no cigar, huh? Watch the fork. 10 o'clock. You're thinking of 10 o'clock right now? You had a special memory that happened at 10 o'clock, so none of the other cards on the clock matter. Only the 10 o'clock card matters. I will finish the show just like that. I'll leave it a little souvenir. I told you I had a little something for you. Please don't throw it out. James, I'll leave that card with you, and that is a good card. James, why don't you take that, and whenever you're ready, you can show Kimberly the card when you're ready, okay?
There it is. Will you marry me, Kimberly? Will you marry me?
Yeah.